Do not attempt any of the acts that you have seen here on Josh Ryan's Life. I am not responsible if you blow your hand off or die.
Say that you're a dreamer.
Off to work, and it's really early. Just stopped and got myself a breakfast of combos and crackers and Sunny D. Look at this store, guys. This store has been here since I was a kid. Actually, since before I was a kid. We used to come here when I was a kid. And there's like a fish pond around the side, and this store on the inside, it hasn't changed since probably the 1950s. Pretty cool. Maybe when I come out for lunch today, I'll show you guys the inside. Lunchtime. Woo! Told y'all that place looks like it's straight out of the 50s. I got grilled cheese. Let's go eat them. I'm so tired I can't even talk. I'm right now leaving the job, getting off of work. That's the way we say it here. Woyok. That's a really weird word. Roads. Roads. If you can name that movie, you get 1,000 cool points. And if you can name this song, you get another 1,000 cool points. I'm tired though. I just worked, what time is it? 6 o'clock. I just worked 11 hours. So I'm leaving, and might go meet my sister. I think they're going to eat or something. We'll see. Hey guys, I had a hard day today. Kinda tired. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. I was just wondering, what do you guys do whenever you're tired and you want to relieve like a little bit of stress? You guys want to know what I do? Huh? Do ya? Do ya? Do ya? Do ya? Do ya? To relieve stress, this is what I do. Please remember, I am a trained professional. Do not attempt any of the acts that you have seen here on Josh Ryan's Life. I am not responsible if you blow your hand off or die. You